Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to install VMware Tools and getting the error that says the update server could not be resolved, don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix it in just a few minutes by installing VMware Tools manually. So let's jump right in. So here I am in VMware Workstation, and when I go to VM and try to click on install VMware Tools, as you can see, I'm getting this message that says the update server could not be resolved. Check your internet settings or contact your system administrator. This usually happens due to network issues or missing server links in VMware, but don't worry, we can fix it by downloading the tools manually. First thing first, open up your browser and search for VMware Tools download and hit enter. Go to the first link, which is packages.vmware.com. so click on that first link, which is the official link. And here we go. This will give you the access for the VMware Tools, and you can choose the 64-bit or 86-bit, whatever you want. So I'm gonna use 64-bit.exe. It's an executable file, so click on that. As you can see, it's downloading the file. Once it's done, just launch the file, double click on it and click run. Just click next and choose complete, and then next and install. Once it's done, just click on finish, and you must restart your system for the configuration changes made to VMware Tools to take effect. So click on yes to reboot the system, and that's it, guys. The VMware Tools are now installed successfully. No more annoying update server error. You'll notice smoother performance, better screen resolution, and clipboard sharing between host and guest. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and let me know in the comments if you run into any other issues with VMware. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, and have a good day.